How to change the date and the time settings of your OnePlus 12 or 12R phone, as well as switch between the 12-hour format or the 24-hour format, which is the military time. Okay, so this is a OnePlus 12R, same for the OnePlus 12. To change these settings, use the quick panel access like this here and tap on the settings icon right there. Once you select that there, you'll be taken to this section here, and then you'll need to go down to where it says additional settings right there. As you enter into that here now, you'll see all these different options, and I want you to go to where it says date and time. As you're here now, the first thing you'll see is the time format. So tapping here will allow you to choose between the standard 12-hour format, which means after 12 o'clock or 12 a.m. or 12 p.m., you will switch to 1 a.m. or 1 p.m. But if you wanted to go past 12 and then switch to like, it's gonna be like this time right here, and then you're gonna have like 13 a.m. and all that weird numbers there, if you know what I mean. You can switch to that, which is the military time, okay? And then to change the time, to actually have control over the time of your phone here, you'll want to turn off the set time automatically, because that's going to go based on your network provider, or if you're connected to some sort of Wi-Fi or network there, it's going to go based on a time here, and you don't want that, okay? So you'll turn this off here, and then you can change the date and time from here, and that's going to be your phone's date and time. And then same here for the time here, you can switch between the hours, the minutes, and choose between AM and PM. Whatever you leave it as, it will be saved as that. And also, just in case, the time zone section here, instead of automatic, you can turn this off and then choose the one that you want to, okay, for your time zone, okay, like and so.